Pennsylvania, often known as the Quaker State and the Keystone State, has borders with New Jersey, New York, Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland, and Delaware. Pennsylvania is big and diversified, containing enormous towns, rolling farmland, traditional Amish communities, and even beaches on one of the Great Lakes. To frequently travels to the Pennsylvania Center in Pittsburgh and Philadelphia, don't forget to add a few more Pennsylvania's numerous notable attractions to the list, as these cities are unquestionably fantastic places to visit. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at best places to visit in Pennsylvania. Yeah, you heard it right. Hickory Run State Park. Eastern Pennsylvania's Pocono Mountains are home to Hickory Run State Park. This expansive park in Carbon County offers numerous amenities, including over 40 miles of picturesque hiking trails. During the winter, some of the pathways double as cross-country skiing trails. In the summer, Sand Spring Lake has a swimming-friendly sand beach. The Boulder Field at the state park is a must-see attraction. This field is older than 20,000 years and was formed as a result of glaciers melting. The captivating and gorgeous Boulder Field Trail consists of a series of boulders. Ohiopyle State Park. On the banks of the Youghiogheny River is the modest yet picturesque Ohiopyle State Park. The river itself is a major attraction of the state park. You may access the river and recreational activities such as whitewater rafting from the park. The 7-mile section of the Youghiogheny River, known as the Lower Yaugh, contains tremendous rapids, which you may experience on a guided tour. The most popular waterfall in Ohiopyle State Park is Cucumber Falls, which also offers excellent hiking opportunities. Bring your camera to the Great Gorge Trail to capture images of the 30-foot Bridle Waterfall. Delaware Water Gap. The Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area extends over the state line between Pennsylvania and New Jersey. The Delaware Water Gap is located on both banks of the Delaware River, as its name suggests. If you appreciate the great outdoors, you have an abundance of options open to you. Bring history to life in the 19th century Millbrook Village or cycle along Old Mill Road. Hikers can choose from over 100 miles of paths that traverse picturesque waterways and verdant hemlock forests. Additionally, the river features 3 swimming beaches: Milford Beach, Smithville Beach, and Turtle Beach. Erie. As you may have guessed, the city of Erie was named after Lake Erie, which it borders. Erie is the only lake port in Pennsylvania and the northernmost region of the state. Check out the Erie Maritime Museum to gain a deeper understanding of Erie's history and how the port influenced its growth. The museum also owns the incredible historic warship, the USS Niagara, which you may explore in the dock. Presque Isle State Park, located just off the coast, is arguably the most popular attraction in Erie for hiking, fishing, and cycling, and simply just enjoying the beaches. Ricketts Glen State Park. Ricketts Glen State Park is a national natural landmark located in the middle of Pennsylvania. This park is a nature lover's paradise, as it stretches across 3 separate counties and is immense. Hiking the Falls Trail system is the greatest method to see as many of the park's 24 major waterfalls and numerous minor falls as possible. If you would rather relax, go to Lake Jeans Beach and set up a picnic with a view of the water. You can also rent a boat and explore the lake, or you can fish from the shore. Pennsylvania Dutch Country. In what is known as Pennsylvania Dutch Country, a significant chunk of the state's Amish population resides in Lancaster County. Although Harrisburg is theoretically located inside this region, the majority of the area is rural. In this region of the state, whitewashed fences, immaculately maintained barns, and horse-drawn buggies abound. Visiting local markets is one of the finest ways to experience Amish country. One of the most popular is the Bird in Hand Farmers Market, where you can get fresh produce and baked items such as apple butter and shoofly pie. Bushkill Falls. Bushkill Falls, the Niagara of Pennsylvania, is one of the top spots to visit in Pennsylvania. These magnificent waterfalls are located in the picturesque Pocono Mountains. There are a total of 8 waterfalls, all of which are accessible by a network of hiking routes and breathtaking bridges. The Green Trail is a 15-minute route that leads directly to the main waterfalls. The Red Trail includes all 8 waterfalls and takes roughly 2 hours for the more ambitious hikers. The Bushkill Falls Mining Company maze, which is timed and adds a competitive element to your visit, may be of interest to both children and adults. Gettysburg. The Battle of Gettysburg was one of the most critical conflicts ever fought in the American Civil War. 3 days of warfare in July 1863 resulted in devastating losses and the retreat of the Confederate Army. Today, the site is marked by Gettysburg National Military Park. The Gettysburg Heritage Center provides an overview of the entire Civil War and how Gettysburg contributed to it. Make time to see the Jenny Wade House, the residence of the sole Gettysburg resident to perish during the war. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section down below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.